How to set up your first crypto portfolio. Do you ever feel like you're standing on the sidelines while everyone else is making money with crypto? You see the headlines? Bitcoin hits a new high. Teenager becomes a millionaire overnight, and you think, what am I missing? But here's the thing, most people don't fail because crypto is too complicated. They fail because they don't know how to start. Today, we're going to change that for you. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if I lose my money? Or worse, what if I make the wrong choice and regret it? Those fears are valid. But let me tell you this, the biggest risk isn't starting, it's waiting. Because every day you wait, someone else is getting ahead. So let's take that first step together. Point 1, why a crypto portfolio matters. Here's the truth about wealth building in the 21st century. Saving your money in a bank is like trying to fill a bucket with holes in it. Inflation eats away at your purchasing power, while the right investments, like crypto, can multiply your wealth exponentially. Now, before you start dreaming about Lambos and private islands, let's get real. Crypto isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tool, a powerful one, that, when used wisely, can help you secure your financial future. And no, setting up a crypto portfolio doesn't mean YOLOing your savings into meme coins because your buddy at work said it's the next big thing. So, how do you use this tool wisely? Let's break it down. Point 2, diversifying your portfolio. Imagine your portfolio like a pizza. Would you order an entire pie with just one topping? Of course not. Diversification is key not just for flavor, but for financial stability. Start with the blue chips, Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the giants of the crypto world, offering more stability than smaller, riskier coins. Once you have a solid base, you can explore altcoins, projects with high growth potential but also higher risks. But how do you pick the right altcoins without falling for scams? Don't worry, we're getting to that. Point 3, research, not hype. The crypto world is noisy. Influencers, headlines, and FOMO, fear of missing out, can cloud your judgment. But here's a golden rule. Never invest in something you don't understand. Think about it. Would you buy a car without knowing how it drives? Then why buy a coin? Because someone shouted about it on social media. Instead, look for solid fundamentals. What problem does the project solve? Who's behind it? What's its roadmap? These questions are your armor against bad decisions. And once you've done your research, how do you actually buy and secure your crypto? Let's tackle that next. Point 4. Choosing platforms and security buying crypto is easier than ever. Platforms like Coinbase and Binance make it simple. But convenience shouldn't compromise security. Because here's the nightmare scenario. You invest your hard-earned money only to lose it because your account got hacked. Heartbreaking, right? But avoidable. Set up two-factor authentication, never share your private keys, and consider a hardware wallet for long-term storage. Think of it as building a fortress for your digital assets. Now that your assets are safe, how do you track your portfolio and adjust it over time? That's where we wrap things up. Point 5, monitoring and adjusting your portfolio. Building your portfolio is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you nurture it. Use apps like CoinMarketCap or Blockfolio to track your investments. And remember, crypto is volatile. Don't panic during market dips. Instead, see them as opportunities to strengthen your position. Think of it this way, you're planting a tree. It won't grow overnight, but with care and patience, it will provide shade and fruit for years to come. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Setting up your first crypto portfolio might feel overwhelming, but with the right mindset, strategy, and a bit of courage, you're on your way to becoming the architect of your own wealth. And if you're wondering what the next step is after setting up your portfolio, make sure to subscribe, because in the next video, we'll dive into how to maximize your gains and avoid common pitfalls. See you there.